Hello, today I'm unboxing Ayo by NCT 127. This is the Taeyong Digipack version. Let me start by removing the plastic. Okay. Alright, start with the disc side. I guess I don't need to put that up there. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, hold on. Don't want to know who I got yet. Okay. Oh, and here's the back. I love him so much. I got his version because he's my bias, but I was really torn between his and Doyoung's. Maybe I will still get Doyoung's. I don't know. Because he's my other bias. Oh, I love his hair. Alright. Oh no. I think that this is probably a mini poster, so let's do this first. Yes! Ooh, love it. Nice. Okay. And then get the SM thing out of the way. Ooh. And let's see who I got. Oh, I think I can tell whose name that is. Yep, there he is. Oh my god, that's really cute. Love it. Alright, that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye!